It's time for another Transfinder quick tip, helping you work smarter, not harder. Fleet maintenance becomes more efficient when you digitize and streamline your operations. With Servicefinder, important information is just a click away.
Servicefinder could be a game changer for us. Tracking parts, tracking services, tracking our DOT inspections, telling us about warranty issues.
It's great for knowing what we need to order, what's coming in, what we can plan for in the future coming in the next week.
Servicefinder helps us keep track of our parts, keeps track of all inventory, so we know we're not double ordering parts.
I was showing the one gentleman in there not really excited about using a computer. I started showing him how he can search for things. And as he searches for it, it'll show him where it's at, what bin we've got that inventory in.
We're using Servicefinder to communicate from the office to the shop for all the work orders, inventory orders.
Now the mechanics fill out their own work orders. So they're going in, they're getting the inventory, putting it in the work order. When they're done, closing the work order, and away they go. We scan in our registrations, and now when a driver either misplaces the registration on the bus, we now have the digital location we can go to and print it out right away. We're not opening up a file cabinet and trying to flip through it.
In the long run, Servicefinder will save the district a lot of money.
It's definitely a tool that I want to put into our fleet and into our transportation department to help our mechanic out.
It's time to empower your fleet. With Servicefinder, you'll get to the information you need faster. Transfinder, helping you work smarter, not harder.